ये वाली जो इसकी ब्रांच न्यू खुली है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने विज़िट किया। यहाँ पे ओवरऑल बहुत ज़्यादा सारी चीज़ें जो नहीं है वहाँ पे, वो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। तो मैं बाकी पेरेंट्स से यही कहूँगी कि एक दफ़ा यहाँ पे आके ज़रूर विज़िट करें।
From Askari school system. I'm the part of Askari school system since 2023, and I work in Montessori Eden as a Montessori teacher. In Montessori Eden, we provide nurturing environment to our kids, and we follow Dr. Maria Montessori's curriculum. Now we have introduced our new Dream Cambridge campus of Askari school system, in which we provide more facilities to our kids. Like there are air-conditioned rooms, horse riding, swimming classes, and more importantly, the Cambridge education system. So we invite you all to join us and avail this opportunity. Thank you.
If your plan is for 1 year, sow rice. If your plan is for 10 years, plant trees. But if your plan is for 100 years, for a century, educate children. This is what we are doing, and this is what we have gathered you all here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Lieutenant Colonel Mir Muhammad Pawar, representing Askari main campus as a principal. Alhamdulillah, this is a highly heartening and delighting to see this new campus under the umbrella of Askari school system, which is headed by the founder, leader, Brigadier Dilshad Hussain Malik. We inaugurated this campus on 11th, that is yesterday, and the huge crowd I saw. As for the campus infrastructure, it is befitting and in keeping with the name, which is known as the Dream Campus. Inshallah, the facilities, the infrastructure, the state of art it carries, inshallah, it will suit its name. And we are also glad to see the campus top management led by Amir Abdo Sahab, the learned family from Meher, and then supported by our section heads, that's Ms. Sadia Sadaf and Madam Samina. So we are confident that this campus will come up to the aspirations and the dreams of the people, and in line with the mission of the director to make the Pakistan great. Inshallah, inshallah. Thank you very much.
class, and for that they have to cross the bridge. It was hard to cross the bridge as a huge troll lived under it. He was ugly. Look at him. He was ugly and had big round eyes and a broad nose. Yes, he's a troll.
Organized pretty good at the moment there. I've just visited classes and all the stuff here. It looks pretty good. I think it will be successful in the future as well, because I think that the history of the management is pretty good. My kids are already studying here, and I will recommend everyone to look forward to change this. If they are studying in any other school, come here and join us and be successful in their life. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me, Ramsha Kashrif, and I am here the teacher of Montessori Eden. And let me tell you that our dream campus is now inaugurated at 11 January, and my experience over here is just amazing, because here are some advanced furnitures which are much more emphasized and can be more encouraging as well, which can conquer the amazing parts and amazing learning for students here, and the classes and whole of the environment is much more advanced, including the features here. So I must recommend all the students over here to interact more and more, to conquer more of the world and explore the activity around. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amir Nabi Abdo, the principal of Deacon Askari School System, Dream Cambridge Campus. And we are having here our open house and the opening ceremony. The opening ceremony and open house for 2 days has marked a great revolution in the field of education. This dream, making leaders, producing leaders, is basically a torch that has been carried by our director, respected Dilshad Hussain Malik. And this has been really so good. The turnout of parents has been, extremely good. It has been beyond our expectations. Around 1,000 people visited us on day one, and we are expecting the same this day also. We had lots of the things, starting from the orientation, magic show, talent hunt, food stall. Everyone has been enjoying, and parents are really very excited. And inshallah, with the facilities like swimming pool, horse riding, gigantic campus, purpose-built classes, technology completely integrated in the classrooms, air-conditioned classes, inshallah, we are going to bring the most conducive environment in this city. Thank you.
Thank you so much, parents, for visiting our campus. You have made it a successful event. We are very happy to receive you over here, and we can see a lot of people over here, and they are getting their awards registered as well. So once again, I would like to appreciate you. I would like to thank you. Thank you.
I'm very glad and happy that you people have visited. Looking forward to have future admissions in our Beacon Askari School DCC campus. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Samar Raza, Vice Principal of Main Campus. I would like to convey my gratitude to all the parents who visited yesterday and today in our new campus. That is a new milestone in our journey. So, you have seen the facilities which we are offered in this campus, and I'm 100% sure that if you want to make your child a highly responsible, competent and civilized person of the society, so this is the right place to get admission. In the end, I would like to congratulate the whole team of DCC who have organized such a wonderful event for the promotion of this campus. In the end, I would like to congratulate the whole team of Dream Cambridge campus to organize such a wonderful event. Thank you.
And I am here in the Askari schooling system since last 3 years. Today we are here in the Dream Cambridge campus for the open house. The crowd is very huge and the exposure is very good. Parents are very happy with our arrangements and all the facilities we are given here, and we hope that all parents will come, more parents will come and visit us, and they have their kids in this campus and they will find what we are offering and what we are presenting to our kids.
I put in my 20 years of retired life in the education field. I joined this field with a very clear commitment that once Army has invested so much in me and has developed me as a leader, so I should pay back to my society in whatever capacity I can. So with that passion, with that clarity, with that commitment, I had come in this field. Right from the outset, I had set out very clear vision for myself that what I have to do. So the vision of my school is to bring prosperity through quality education. Right from the first day, I was very clear कि पाकिस्तान में अगर तरक्की हो सकती है कि जिस तरीके से दुनिया ने तरक्की की है, वो वाहिद चीज़ है तालीम।